Yeah. What am I doing today? Another unboxing. What's up, guys? Welcome, friends, family, and strangers. My glasses are dirty. We got Lenqin. Ellen Lenqin. It's a watch. Haven't done a watch in a bit, right? Last couple of videos. Ooh, British representative. Is this not made in China? Something that's not made in China? It doesn't say anything. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. Oh. Fooled ya. Fooled myself too. Men's watch, casual watch, wristwatch. Let's open it up. Let's find out what it is. I like the packaging. You know, pretty minimalistic, straightforward. What else did it come with? Oh, came with instructions. All right. I like the little simple felt. So this watch is like a super budget watch. I think it was like $10. My brother picked it up. He wanted something that was, you know, a beater watch. Let's take it out. And then, to be honest, for $10, what? There's a protective film on it. Let's take that off. Yo, it's a field watch. So you can get that off. I don't have the nails for that. Can't get that off. Can't get something off. Get a tool to get it off. As someone would say. I don't know who would say that, but yeah. All that is pretty simple. Alright. Tickety clock. It's a quartz, obviously. It's hitting its marks too. Right on the dot for $10. That's kind of losing a little off. Slightly off. And like it's nailing it. It's nailing it. Let's set the line. Let's set the time. There you go. It is not the 26th. What day is it? Well, you could hear the clicking on that. Hold on. Listen. Listen to this. Yeah, that's clickety clack. Don't talk back. Let's see, it is the 8th. Surprisingly, really, really nice. There's like a 12 quartz stainless steel number 0550. It's a clip off. Where's the you know, the strap is actually quite nice. My brother decided to change the strap. We'll open that in a moment. I feel like it probably like a Miyota, but we won't know until we open it. If we open it, I feel like I want to open it. So it's not super waterproof. 50 meters, you know, it's good enough to take a shower with, do the dishes with, you know. If you're fishing and you need to get your hand in the water for a moment, yeah, there you go. This is nice. I like the color. I like that color. The color of the strap is nice too. Got your extra strap with the buckle. Give me a buckle for your strap. It is not, the crown is not side, which is fine. It's a really nice watch. I like it for like $10. It's quite nice. All right, let's do some measurements. Got my calibers. let's do how wide it is. 10 to 4, 10 to 4. 41. Double check. It's kind of tight. Kind of tight. There you go. 41.3. Thickness, I said what? 12? 11.1. Size of the crown, which is nice and large. In my opinion, I think that's nice. 6.5. And our strap size is 22.4. Alright, lug to lug. You're looking at 48.4. So if you got a big wrist like I do, I have a 7-inch wrist. And I think that's about average for most people. Unless you're a really small dude or lady. That little strap is kind of, buckle is kind of finicky to get it around because it's really loose. It's not as rigid as this one, that's for sure. And there you go. That actually fits pretty well on my wrist. Yeah, that's real nice. Okay. We'll find out what kind of battery it is in a little bit. We'll do that in a moment. Let's look at the strap that he got as well. He said that the strap almost cost as much, or not, maybe more. You got a good color there. Alright, that's a surprise. Bro's got good taste. Oh, plastic. The vein of sound. That is nice. That's a nice strap. Feels like it would last too. The holes feel reinforced. You can feel it. I think it was melted through. I think it melted. What's the name of this one? This one's called Watch Dives. Watch Dive straps. Scan with Amazon shopping app. So you guys can scan it. Of course, we'll put a link up. Yep. Watch Dives nylon watch band. They do 3 sizes, multicolor replacements, watch strap. We're just changing it. Okay, I'll need to get my tool. Got my drawer. There we go. So we're gonna need this because we want to look at the battery, right? And where's my I guess I can use this one. Yeah, we can use this one. This will work fine. I assume he didn't like the strap, so I'm changing it real quick. Which is fine by me. I don't mind. It makes good content. We're gonna have to keep the string bars though. I don't think his watch strap came with any string bars. That's interesting. Sometimes they come with, you know. If this one didn't come with it. Okay, let's double check. Maybe it did. Hey, look. It did. Alright, yeah, cool. It comes with another tool. There's so many of these that come with watch straps. So if you're try not throwing them away, give them to a friend, you know. It's a lot of waste. Alright, let's get these on. Shouldn't be too difficult to get them on. There we go. That's one. There we go. Clickety clack. Clack. Alright. Get this on. Just gotta remove the main strap. Insert. There's other ways to put it on, but this is the way I do it. Nice and close. The other one through the other. There you go. And then you can straighten it up. Get it in the middle. There you go. You got your natal strap. There's like hacks that you could do. You can cut the strap right here to thin the thickness of the watch. Because what did we say? We said it was 11 point something. Now look at it, 13.8. So imagine if you cut that. I'm not saying to do it. It's all entirely up to you. Drops it down to 12.3. The original was 11 something, right? Oh, it was 11 exact. So yeah, that thickens it up a little, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, let's put it on. It's always a little hassle to get it on because it's a needle strap. There you go. Of course, you'll have a little extra hanging out. I like to fold it in itself. If it's long enough, you can get it all the way around. So like this. Yeah, it'll flop out. I don't think it's long enough. You can do it like that. But I like to do that. I like that little loop. That tight little loop right there. It's cool. It's actually a little bit more comfortable. It does stick up higher on your wrist. Just by a little. Nice. I dig it. Let's find out what kind of battery it is. You gotta take everything apart. Alright, where is it? Let me look at it closer. See, it's right there. I want to know what kind of battery it is too. Chances are the battery is usually close to dying when they've been sitting in a warehouse for a while. There we go. Alright, kind of moving it. Miyota looks like. Or a knockoff like one. Huh. It doesn't say. It says S28. Wait, SL28. We'll get closer. What kind of battery? I want to lift it without taking the whole frame out. Let's get some finger action here. Make sure it doesn't fly out. Should have pulled out my tweezers. Alright. I can't tell what kind of battery that is. Let's zoom in. Alright, now I can see. Oh, it's upside down. It is a Maxwell SR626SW, Japan. Yeah, Maxwell, man. I've been around when Maxwell was making cassettes. Okay, let's get this case back on there. And go back to one. Here we go. I like it. I like it. I like it. Right. If you're ever putting a case back on, make sure that little dip right there is aligned up with your arm. Ah, got it. It took a little bit of strength, but I got it. All right, let's get that strap back on. I'm using the new one. I think this pretty much wraps it up, guys. You got to open up the watch, see what kind of battery, what kind of movement. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Does the new strap look good with it? I think it kind of does. The old strap is pretty nice too. So, what do you guys think of the watch? If you think this is worth $10, 10-ish, I'll put the price up again. And yeah, comment downstairs, subscribe, like, and all that other jazz. Yeah, thank you, friends, family, and strangers. You guys have a good one.